Hackers Toiec Listening Vocabulary. Accounting software.
Accounting software.
The accounting software is being installed today. Adopt.
Adopt. The company will adopt a new personnel policy.
Answering machine.
Answering machine.
The answering machine doesn't seem to work. Be tied up.
Be tied up. The printer is tied up at the moment.
Binding machine.
Binding machine.
We have just ordered a new binding machine. Business card.
Business card. They're exchanging business cards.
Calculator.
Calculator.
I seem to have misplaced my calculator. Card reader.
Card reader. The clerk swiped a credit card through a card reader.
Cartridge.
Cartridge.
He replaced the printer cartridge yesterday. Colleague.
Colleague. She's chatting with a colleague.
Come to a standstill.
Come to a standstill.
Productivity at the office comes to a standstill on Fridays. Connect.
Connect. Can you connect me to the manager's office?
Copy machine.
Copy machine.
Please turn off that copy machine. Cordless phone.
Cordless phone. There is a cordless phone on the desk.
Disconnect.
Disconnect.
The machinery needs to be disconnected temporarily. Drawing table.
Drawing table. The blueprint has been put on the drawing table.
Duplicate.
Duplicate.
Can you make me a duplicate of this report? Equipment.
Equipment. They're rearranging the office equipment.
Facility.
Facility.
The university is building a research facility. File.
File. Have you finished filing those papers?
Filing cabinet.
Filing cabinet.
I put them in the filing cabinet. Fill out the form.
Fill out the form. You should fill out this form first.
Flyer.
Flyer.
The man is handing out some flyers. Form letter.
Form letter. Is the form letter in this folder?
Handbook.
Handbook.
Let's refer to this handbook. Information packet.
Information packet. All participants will receive an information packet.
Install.
Install.
The electricians are installing some outlets. Inventory control system.
Inventory control system. The inventory control system keeps track of available stock.
Maintenance.
Maintenance.
Service will be interrupted while routine maintenance is performed. Material.
Material. I should finish reading this material tonight.
Organizer.
Organizer.
I seem to have misplaced my organizer. Out of order.
Out of order. That printer has been out of order since last week.
Out of paper.
Out of paper.
The copier is out of paper. Outdated.
Outdated. All the equipment seems to be outdated.
Overheat.
Overheat.
The car's engine is overheated. Paperweight.
Paperweight.
There is a paperweight on top of some documents. Power line.
Power line. The men are fixing the power line.
Projector.
Projector.
The projector has been turned on. Shredder.
Shredder. Put those papers in the shredder.
Spreadsheet.
Spreadsheet. Enter the data into a spreadsheet.
Stationery.
Stationery.
She is writing on some stationery. Stock the drawer.
Stock the drawer. The woman is stocking the drawer with paper clips.
Storage cabinet.
Storage cabinet.
Office supplies are kept in the storage cabinet. Supply.
Supply. The supplies we ordered arrived this morning.
Supply room.
Supply room.
He is talking to the clerk in the supply room. Typewriter.
Typewriter. The man is putting a ribbon in the typewriter.
Update.
Update.
My computer needs to be updated. Architect.
Architect.
We hired an architect to draw up the plans. Blueprint.
Blueprint. The foreman is looking over the blueprints for the office building.
Carpenter.
Carpenter.
The carpenter is using a tape measure. Demolish.
Demolish. The building is set to be demolished later this year.
Durable.
Durable.
They are using the most durable materials they can find. Expand.
Expand. A project has been approved to expand the building.
Frame.
Frame.
The frame of the building has been erected. Hammer.
Hammer. A hammer is in the toolbox.
Hard hat.
Hard hat.
Please wear a hard hat while at the site. Heavy machinery.
Heavy machinery. Be careful when operating heavy machinery.
Housing development.
Housing development.
The housing development will be completed by the end of this year. Layout.
Layout. The layout of the house was redesigned.
Ledge.
Ledge.
Potted plants have been placed on the ledge. Load.
Load. Workers are loading the materials onto the truck.
Log.
Log.
The logs are stacked on top of each other. Lumber.
Lumber. There is a pile of lumber at the construction site.
Multi-story.
Multi-story.
The company is located in a multi-story office complex. Nail.
Nail. The man is hammering a nail.
Panel.
Panel.
He is pressing a button on the instrument panel. Plan.
Plan. The contractor is studying the construction plan.
Power supply.
Power supply.
The computer's power supply has been damaged. Put up.
Put up. The workers are putting up a fence.
Rebuild.
Rebuild.
They are rebuilding the bridge that collapsed. Redo.
Redo. The foreman asked the workers to redo the paneling.
Refurnish.
Refurnish.
The manager wants to refurnish his office. Reinforcement.
Reinforcement. The highway was strengthened with concrete reinforcement.
Remodel.
Remodel.
The apartment unit is being remodeled. Removal.
Removal. The removal of the stairway will cost more money.
Restore.
Restore.
The city wants to restore the historic building. Saw.
Saw. The man is using a saw to cut the wood.
Scaffolding.
Scaffolding.
The scaffolding has been set up against one side of the building. Shovel.
Shovel. The man is using a shovel to put sand in the mixer.
Shut off.
Shut off.
They shut off the electricity before replacing the wires. Site supervisor.
Site supervisor. The site supervisor is talking to the construction workers.
Space allocation.
Space allocation.
The architect wants to speak to us about a space allocation problem. Steel.
Steel. The walls are reinforced with steel.
Structure.
Structure.
We need to finish the structure for next week's event. Synthetic material.
Synthetic material. The parts are made of synthetic material.
Take down.
Take down.
A contractor was hired to take down the wall around the compound. Tear down.
Tear down. We asked them to tear down the foundation of the old building.
Tread.
Tread.
The treads of the tires were worn down. Tunnel.
Tunnel. A tunnel is being built through the mountain.
Undergo renovation.
Undergo renovation.
The old theater is now undergoing renovation. Walkway.
Walkway. A walkway leads to the entrance of the building.
Wheelbarrow.
Wheelbarrow.
The man is filling the wheelbarrow with debris. Wing.
Wing. The hospital is constructing a new wing.
Wire.
Wire.
The wires on the first floor have been replaced.